In today's video, I'll teach you how to turn off ads on Grab. First of all, what you have to do is launch open Grab application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here Grab application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to turn off the ads, what you have to do is access the settings. For that, tap on the account icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the account interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. In the section for general, at second you'll be able to find the option for settings. Tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to find various options like privacy, security, etc. Under the section for privacy, you'll be able to find the option for communications and ads. If you tap on the option ads, you can see over here you'll not be able to find the option for turning off the ads. You can only turn off the ads personalization. So if you want to turn off the ads, what you can do is simply manage the communication settings. For that, go back. Now tap on the option communications. Now you can see over here you'll be able to manage the communication settings. You'll be able to find the options like offers from Grab, updates, tips and tricks, feedback, offers from partners. If you're receiving any kind of notifications regarding these things via email, SMS, you'll be able to turn it off. Make sure to toggle off the button that you do not want to receive the notification for. For example, if any of the button is toggled on, what you can do is simply tap on that button in order to toggle it off. Now the Grab will not be able to communicate to you via that channel. So like this, you'll be able to turn off the ads. If this does not work for you, you can also consider ad blockers. For that, what you can do is simply install the ad blocker applications from Play Store and App Store. By using those applications too, you'll be able to block the ads. So that is how you turn off ads on Grab. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.